gesture.
We're about to have a tsunami warning. Magnus Fireworks 200-gram cake, 16 shots. Spin it around. Look at the performance on this. You can see those effects right there. The glare of that light, so you can move around and get a better look at this. Ugh. When it focuses, there we go. What you get in this cake? Theme effect, brocade crown, color red, green, blue, purple. Noisy, 3 out of 5. There's your look at it. Performance is 16 shots, great. That's a great brocade crown along with colorful star tips, 4-shot finale. Here we go. Tsunami warning. Magnus Fireworks. Let's take a peek at this little guy. Hey, tsunami. Warning. That's another good 200 gram. It's quick, but that's got a lot of going on.